I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After near record highs in the 70s this afternoon, a cold front dives to the south during the day tomorrow. Highs are expected to range from the mid-30s to the mid-40s in west and central Nebraska to the low to mid-50s over northern Kansas and eastern Nebraska. Steadier falling temperatures should occur for the afternoon tomorrow. Light snow is possible tomorrow afternoon through the evening, but with little to no accumulation. Lows tomorrow night dropping into the low to mid-teens with wind chills just above and below zero. Daytime highs Wednesday, more seasonal in the 40s. A ridge of high pressure moves over the plains for Thursday through the weekend with the return of near critical fire weather conditions. Highs peak out in the upper 60s to the mid 70s by this weekend. Something to watch. More active weather returns early next week with a potential storm system. With that possible storm system next week, there are some slight changes in the long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures continue in Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through early next week. That's before a trend of more seasonal or near normal temperatures the middle portion of next week through March 10th. Above normal precipitation is predicted for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through March 10th, especially in Nebraska for early next week. Key weather factors impacting the markets include up and down temperatures with strong storms moving through the U.S., scattered rain in southern Brazil, and parts of Argentina missing out on rain. Much warmer than normal weather is coaxing winter wheat out of dormancy across roughly the southern half of the plains and causing the crop to lose its winter hardiness farther to the north. Today's record-setting high temperatures top 90s far north as the Texas-Oklahoma border and should reach 70 into southern South Dakota. Colder air is lurking, though, across the Canadian prairies. A sharp cold front diving southward from the Canadian prairies is a divider between record-setting warmth to the south and east and much cooler weather farther to the north and west. The front is preceded and accompanied by widespread precipitation, including locally severe thunderstorms that stretch from the Great Lakes to the southern plains late tomorrow and driving eastward to the Atlantic seaboard by late Wednesday or early Thursday. Warm weather quickly returns late in the week across the nation's midsection before it expands eastward. Across the plains, another strong storm moves through for Sunday and next Monday, likely bringing in areas of heavier precipitation, including a chance of heavy snow across the north, strong winds, and temperatures that are more seasonal. In central Brazil, wet season rains continued this past weekend before becoming isolated this week. Rainfall coverage in central Brazil increases once again this weekend. Southern Brazil saw rain increasing yesterday and expects waves of rain through Thursday. Rain in Brazil fairly widespread for next week, helping with the long season crops in the south and the second crop corn in the central. Towards northern Argentina, scattered rain from over the weekend continues through Wednesday. Southern Argentina expects lighter rain this week before a better chance this weekend. Argentina crop conditions expected to maintain their overall good ratings, but some areas may be missed by timely rains. For Europe, a large storm brought waves of rain in most areas this past weekend. More rain moves through Europe later this week and next week, which benefits Spain and Italy, but may make it too wet in France and England. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.